Algebra. This is Miss Henderson's Canvas course, and we're getting ready to go over week 3 in your module. Now, in order for you to be able to start week 3, you have to have completed week 2. So if you haven't submitted something in those assignments, then you need to do that before you can even click anything down below. So the first assignment is going to be factoring dots, which is an ed puzzle. It's going to review all of the different tricks and giggles of how to use dots and why dots is important. And you're going to click on the link below. Remember, if it doesn't automatically open up a new window with a video being able to press play, you will exit out of the ed puzzle, hit refresh on your Canvas page to bring that link up back at the bottom so you can click it a second time. Sometimes Canvas takes a little too long to connect to ed puzzle, so if it doesn't show the video automatically, you can refresh the page and make it pop up. Once your module assignment for the ed puzzle is completed, there is extra review, which includes a little poster that walks through the steps of how to factor with dots. And it also has videos of Miss Henderson walking through several examples that you can touch upon. This is just for further support in case you may need a little bit more practice or review. Once you have touched upon how to factor with dots, it is going to be time for your assignment. In this example, you have a choice. You don't have to, but if you wanted to get this document out onto your own computer, you can click on the document here. It will pop up at the bottom, and then you can see everything that you need to see. You have 15 questions here. You're going to work through them. Got a couple of hints in here, so please make sure you're looking for those. Then, once you have worked through them, you're going to have the opportunity to play the Kahoot. The Kahoot is just to double check if your answers are accurate. So, to do so, you click on the link. This link will pop up, and it's going to ask you to enter your name. And I would probably put your actual real name, so that way it's something that's going to pop up for Miss Henderson on her other end. And then you would click OK, Go. Before clicking the Kahoot, you should have already solved these questions. So that way you're only focusing on hitting the right answer. You're not trying to solve and type an answer in. So once you're finished with the Kahoot, Ms. Henderson is asking for you to figure out a screenshot showing your nickname if you had one and your score with the date and the time. So in this situation, a screenshot is like a snipping tool. So you'd go here. If it's not already popping up on your computer, you would type in here SNIP. It will pop up, and here's what it would look like. Okay? It's already trying to get me to snip something in the background of my computer. I'm not on my Kahoot yet, so I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to go to the window, so I'm on my Kahoot, and then I pull up the snip and hit new again. This is where you can drag from one corner all the way to the bottom corner to include the date and the time. And when you release your mouse, it will pop up with a screen. You will click File and Save As, and that would be what you would submit underneath your assignment for Canvas, okay? And if you're struggling with that, or if you need further assistance, please let Miss Henderson or I know. Other than that, that is your week 3A module. And if you have any further questions, let us know how we can help.